Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another cooking video. As you can see by the title, today we will be making shrimp scampi with pasta. You already see it. It looks so delicious and it tastes even better than it looks, okay? As you can see, my shrimp is seasoned good. My pasta is nice and moist. It is not dry. So guys, if you would like to see how I made this dish, continue watching. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. You already know, like, comment, and subscribe. But yes, guys, let's stop and let's just get into this video. Let's go. All right, guys, so these are all the ingredients that I will be using today. I will leave everything down below in the description box. I am going to use all of these seasonings to season my shrimp real good. You don't want to over season because you don't want your shrimp to be too salty. So, yes, we're going to season our shrimp and get it ready to hit the pan. I'm going to cook my shrimp on both sides for 2 to 3 minutes. And while I'm doing that, my pasta is already boiling, okay? So I'm going to remove my shrimp and add some butter. Now, you can use salted butter like I did, or you can do unsalted butter. It's up to you. So to that butter, once my butter melts a little, I'm going to add some minced garlic. Make sure your pan is on medium, not too high, because you don't want to burn your butter or your garlic, okay? So yes, mix. I let that cook a little to get the garlic flavor into that butter. You know, garlic butter. Then I'm going to add a half cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice, and I'm going to add a cup of white wine. You can use any white wine you want. I'm going to add my white wine and I'm going to let that simmer for a couple of minutes to make sure my sauce is all mixed well. And then the same seasonings that I used on the shrimp, I'm going to use for my sauce because I want my sauce to have taste as well. We do not want no bland tasting food over here, okay? Guys, my house was smelling so good when I was making this dish. I couldn't wait to eat it. So then I'm going to add my pasta. Sorry for the little person in the back, guys. He always has to make his guest appearance. So I'm going to add my pasta, mix that in, and then I'm going to add my shrimp, mix everything up real good into the sauce. I'm going to let that cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, and I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese. Now, you can use this Parmesan cheese, or you can use your own freshly grated. It's up to you. But like I said, this was a quick and easy dish. I wasn't trying to do anything extra. But yes, guys, I'm going to mix everything well, and you see how it came out. You see that pasta moist. You see those shrimp seasoned. So guys, this is my final dish. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to follow this recipe. Until next time, be safe. Bye, guys.